Hi everyone, and welcome to Maths Revision with Jov. Today we'll be solving the problem given that x plus a multiplied by x plus 3a is mathematically identical to x squared plus bx plus 75. Find the two possible values of b. We should probably go ahead and note that x is a variable and a and b are constants, and what that means is that this expression is true for all values of x but only specific values of a and b. The first thing we want to go and do is we want to go and expand the thing on the left because it's nicer. We can get both things in the same form. So we've got x squared plus, because I've multiplied the x's, x squared plus ax plus 3ax plus, and then a times 3a is 3a squared. And that's going to be equal to x squared plus bx plus 75. We can go ahead and get rid of the x squared because there's one on each side. So that leaves us with, ax plus 3ax is 4ax, and then we've got 3a squared as well. And that's equal to bx plus 75. Now we want to go ahead and do what we call comparing coefficients, which means that every time we have a constant term, we can set those equal, and every time we have an x term, we set those equal, and if there was an x squared term, we would set those equal as well, but we've managed to cancel those. The first thing I notice is that we've got a 3a squared here and a 75 here. That's our only constant terms, which means that 3a squared equals 75. We can go ahead and divide by 3, so a squared equals 25, which means that a is equal to plus or minus 5. Remember the plus or minus when you're taking square roots. Now if we look back to the question, it says it wants us to find the two possible values of b. Now we found two possible values of a, which means each one is going to correspond to a value of b. The first thing we can have a look at is when a is equal to plus 5. So we get over here the x terms, so the linear terms we would call them. 4ax must be equal to this bx over here. So 4ax equals bx. A we're going to set equal to 5. So 4 times 5 times x, 4 times 5 is 20. X equals bx. And now we can simply just say, assuming that x is not equal to 0, that b equals 20. Similarly, we can go ahead and set a equal to minus 5. So we've got 4 times minus 5 times x, so minus 20x equals bx. Then we get b equals minus 20. Now we have simply shown that b is equal to 20 or b is equal to minus 20. And those are our answers. We found two possible values of b, and I hope that helps.